Hello, today we will guide you through how to export multiple Confluence pages. To begin, open Confluence and go to the overview area of the space that contains the pages you want to export. This is important because exporting multiple pages is typically done at the space level rather than from a single page. Once you are on the overview screen, take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct space before moving forward. From there, locate the space you want to work in. In this example, the selected space is a sample space, but in your case, simply choose the space that holds the content you need to export. Making sure you are in the right location helps avoid exporting the wrong set of pages, especially if you manage more than one Confluence space. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you should see the three-dot menu, which is often used in Confluence to access additional actions and settings. If you do not immediately see it, give the page a second to fully load, and make sure your browser window is large enough to display the full toolbar. Click the three-dot menu to open the available options. In that menu, look for the Export option and select it. This opens the export choices for the space, allowing you to create a downloadable version of multiple pages at once. This can be useful for sharing documentation, creating offline copies, or preparing content for review outside Confluence. After selecting Export, choose the format that best matches your needs. You can click Export to Word if you want an editable document format that is easier to revise or repurpose. Alternatively, you can choose Export PDF if you want a more fixed, presentation-friendly version that is easy to share and print. The best option depends on how you plan to use the exported content afterward. Once you make your selection, Confluence will begin preparing the export. Depending on the size of the space and the number of pages included, this may take a little time. If your export does not appear right away, be patient and wait for the file to finish generating. And that's it. By navigating to the correct space, opening the three-dot menu, selecting Export, and then choosing either Word or PDF, you can quickly export multiple Confluence pages in just a few clicks.